Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I got another install video for you. I'm still in my work clothes, so I'm ready to go. But anyways, before the video starts, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to everyone. If you're checking out the video, if you're subscribed, I really appreciate it. It means a lot. The channel's growing, and I can't thank you enough for that. I'm just going to keep grinding this stuff out for you guys. I want to keep putting out content, and I want to keep moving this build along and, you know, making it my dream car. So today what I got is a pretty simple install. We are on week 2 now, actually week 2.5, going on 3 weeks of me. I'm just starting to get my voice back, so bear with me here. The last 2 videos I hardly had a voice. Might not be as obvious in the video, but I definitely don't have a voice. So on this video I'm going to try and keep the camera angle roughly the same the whole time. Very simple install today. We are installing a JDM style grill for the WRX. Now this grill can be found on eBay for about $109. I got it from Bayson R. Now I know they make lips and grills and all sorts of stuff for the car, and I know that's an eBay brand that sort of has a little more, a little bigger of a following. So I know this is probably going to be a little bit higher quality than most of the eBay stuff I buy. And right off the bat, the finish on it looks great. I'll bring it up to the camera so you guys can see. It's just got a really nice gloss black finish to it, mirror finish. It's not the factory pearl, like this has like that factory pearl dusted black. This does not have the pearl in it. I could fix that, I could paint it and put pearl in it, but I'm not going to do that. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this and I'm going to leave the badge off. I'm kind of hoping that I can go with a badgeless design and it not look too funny. It did come with a badge and the bracket to basically put the badge on, and then you can put your badge on, and basically all it's going to do is get rid of these stupid bars here. And like here where it's all closed off and you can't see in, it'll all be open. All we're going to do is pop the bumper off and get started. So if you don't already know how to take your bumper off, it's just a series of clips and bolts on top of the bumper and around on the bottom. They're all just these little tabs. They're easy to find. The bumper comes off relatively easy. There's videos on it if you need to look on that. But today I'm just going to showcase the grill. Alright, if we turn this bumper around, you're going to see the grill is literally just held in with a series of Phillips head screws and some push clips. Simple as taking those push clips out, and that's it. Oh, okay. There's our OEM grill, just to show you what was holding me up. Right along this little piece is on the back, like this, and there's these little clips that go in here on this piece was holding me back. There's these little clips on the bumper. You have to take this off. There's going to be like a little plastic piece in here you got to pry out. Once you get that off, then the grill's going to feel like it's stuck in the bumper. On the side here, right above where my thumb is, you can kind of see how the plastic arches up a little bit. Right here. It's kind of connected to the bumper, so you just have to take your flathead and pry out. It's really not hard to get out. Just take your time. Don't break anything. Now we have our new grill, and as you can see, there's a hole in it. What we got to do is reuse our factory camera hole. So the Subarus can have an option to come with a front camera, and so this cap here just covers that. So all we have to do is there's 3 Phillips heads holding in this stock camera block off plate. Just got to take those out. Comes right out. Now we can transfer that over to here. Same deal. Clip it in. Put our screws in place. and we should be good to go. I actually thought about getting a front camera for the car. Once I get my front splitter, I'm probably gonna get a front camera for the car just so I don't hit any curbs with it. But there you can see the plug is in, and you can see how well it matches the grill. You can't even tell that it's there. It looks exactly the same. So we're gonna go ahead now. We're gonna put this back up against the bumper. It comes in from the front very easily. Someone's ripping on it. Okay, clipped in already. The fitment is perfect from what I can see so far. Now we're gonna line this thing back up and clip this back onto the bumper. This may not have had to even come off, if I'm being honest. I don't know that it did have to come out, but it was being a pain and I was just taking apart everything just to make sure. I'm going to switch to a standard Phillips. I'm being careful with the impact, but I just want to make sure that I don't strip any of these out. Okay. So now we're just going to put the bumper back on. Sometimes the bumper will get stuck. It's usually the tabs underneath in the middle. They have to go over the frame, not under. And there's freaking bugs all over it, but here you can basically see what we're working with now. It definitely has a different look to it, but I think it looks good. I think it looks aggressive. It looks pissed off. It looks pretty cool. So there we have it. Our OEM grill and our new grill in the background there. So definitely looks good. If, like I said, if you wanted to, you could put that on there and you could put your badge on there. But I think it looks really funny the way it like protrudes out. It just looks funny on that. It looks okay because of these bars that carry it in. But just like that, I think it would look weird putting the emblem on over top of that. So I'm going to leave it off. The only weird thing about that is this piece right here, which isn't very noticeable from most angles. So as far as an instant review, I think it's really good. I think it's really clean. It looks nice. The paint's nice. It looks like a factory piece. I'm happy with it. If I have any issues down the road, I'll be sure to let you guys know. But as of now, the car definitely looks really mean with this thing. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. I appreciate you watching. If you're looking for something like that, go check it out. I know the OLM JDM grill is a bit more expensive, and I've watched other videos of that install, and there's issues with that. So you might as well try going a little bit cheaper and see if you can save a penny or two and still have the same look. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.